Welcome back to Crochet by Night. Tonight we're not going to dilly-dally. We're just going to select the 4 winners, and the 4 winners can then email me at crochetbynightdesigns@gmail.com to claim their prize. You'll have 10 days to send me your address, and if you don't send me your address within that 10 days, I'll draw for another winner. The first winner is April Teasdale. April, you have won 25 skeins of mystery yarn. The next winner is Lisa Aldridge. Lisa, you have 10 days to send me your address so that I can send out your mystery box. The third winner is Tamara Womack. Tamara or Tamara? Not sure how to say it, but you are the third winner. Congratulations. And the final winner for tonight's mystery box giveaway is Mrs. Nye. Mrs. Nye, you have 10 days also to send me your send me your address to crochetbynightdesigns@gmail.com. Remember, this yarn is from various places like Hobby and Hobby Lobby. Some of it's clearance yarn, but it's just yarn that I was able to get and am now able to give away. Congratulations to the winners. Keep watching for more great giveaways and tutorials. As always, have a good night.